Welcome to BHG Money Talk, where leading professionals go for key financial insights. In this video, we're going to explore the topic of debt and how being strategic with your finances can set up your business for greater success. Your business may be utilizing multiple types of financing, from business credit cards to commercial loans, SBA loans, and lines of credit. These various types of financing are likely tied to different payment amounts, due dates, and interest rates. And their effects on your time and your budget may be impacting your ability to grow your business. But there's one way to eliminate these obstacles and enhance your finances: debt consolidation. A debt consolidation loan pays off your existing debt and provides you with a new financial solution that offers better terms, namely a fixed rate and a longer repayment period if preferred. Here's how it works. In this example, you have a total balance of $110,000. This encompasses 2 credit cards with a total principal of $40,000 and 25% average annual interest rate, and a $70,000 business loan with 15% annual interest rate. That gives you an average interest rate of 18.75%. In this scenario, you would need to pay $4,025 a month for 3 years to bring the balance down to zero, and you would pay $34,916 in interest during that time. Now, let's say you get a business debt consolidation loan for the same principal amount with a fixed interest rate of 15% and the same repayment term. This can decrease your monthly payment amount to $3,818 and your total interest to $27,451, helping you save $7,465 over the course of the loan. Plus, you have the opportunity to further impact your budget by choosing to extend your repayment period. In the same example, consolidating your debt into a 12-year loan will decrease your monthly payment from $4,025 to $1,657. That's 59% more affordable than your previous financing. In addition to making your monthly payments more affordable, a debt consolidation loan can simplify your finances. If your current debt consists of multiple credit cards, loans, and lines of credit, debt consolidation gives you one loan with one fixed interest rate, one due date, and one low monthly payment. But with so many options available, how do you decide which lender is right for you? BHG provides financial solutions that are custom crafted for your unique needs. Since starting out in 2001, our team has funded an increasing number of professionals and business owners from every industry, and we're committed to providing first-class concierge service. Compared to our competitors, BHG provides loans up to $500,000 so that you can pay off debt and invest additional funds into your business. Plus, our long repayment terms of up to 12 years give you affordable monthly payments. You can get started online by visiting our website. It only takes seconds to see your personalized estimate. Or contact us today.